Mr. Schultz, Grade 6, Greek Mythology, Mid-Unit 2 Assessment, Compare and Contrast Themes in Literature, part of the Percy Jackson series, Part 1. Directions: read the text and answer the questions that follow. Prometheus. Prometheus and his brother Epimetheus were titans entrusted by Eros, god of love, to give special gifts and abilities to the beasts, birds, and fishes of the world. They were also given the task of making a creature less great than the gods and the titans, but higher in knowledge and understanding than the beasts, birds, and fishes. Prometheus and Epimetheus were so generous with their gifts for the beasts, birds, and fishes that nothing was left for the creature that was to be called man. Prometheus took some clay from the ground at his feet, moistened it with water, and formed it to look like the gods. Into its nostrils was breathed the spirit of life, and it was given a soul. And so, by the first man looked wonderingly around on the earth. He was naked, unprotected, and more helpless than any of the beasts. Prometheus pitied him more than the animals, since man had a soul to suffer. He looked to Zeus, ruler of Olympus, to have compassion for man and to help him, but Zeus refused. Prometheus thought of a power belonging only to the gods. He said to Epimetheus, "We shall give fire to the man we have made." He waited patiently and, unseen by the gods, made his way to Olympus, lighted a torch with a spark from the chariot of the sun, and brought this royal gift to man. With fire, man no longer trembled in the darkness of caves when Zeus hurled his lightning across the sky. He was no longer scared of the animals that haunted him. With fire, man made weapons, defied the frost and cold, and made tools and money, introduced the arts, and was able to destroy as well as create. From his throne on Olympus, Zeus looked down on the earth and saw blue-gray smoke that curled upward to the sky. He watched more closely and realized with terrible wrath that what he saw came from fire. Fire had been the gods' own sacred power. He was apathetic to man and gathered a council of the gods to decide how to punish Prometheus for deceiving him. Zeus chained Prometheus to the top of a mountain, and every day an eagle came and ate Prometheus's liver. Every night his liver grew back. This council also decided to punish man. They decided to create something that should forever charm the souls and hearts of men and forever be man's downfall. They created Pandora, the first woman. She carried with her a jar filled with sickness, death, and evil. Question 1. Reread this sentence from the story. He watched more closely and realized with terrible wrath that what he saw came from fire. Using the context, what is the meaning of the word wrath as it is used in the text? A. Extreme excitement. B. Extreme happiness. C. Extreme sorrow. D. Extreme anger. If you need to pause the video to find the answer, please hit the pause button now. Question 2, Part A. Reread this sentence from the story. He was apathetic to man and gathered a council of the gods to decide how to punish Prometheus for deceiving him. Using your affix list, what is the root of the word apathetic? If you need to pause the video, please hit the pause button now. Part B. What does the root mean? If you need to pause, please hit the pause button now. Part C. Knowing the root and the context, what does the word apathetic mean as it is used in the text? If you need to pause, please hit the pause button now. Part D. Check the meaning of apathetic in a dictionary. Revise your answer to Part C. If you need to hit the pause button, please do so now. Question 3. Which best describes a theme conveyed by the details in Prometheus? Underline one answer. A. Fire is a powerful gift and humans deserve more power. B. Tough situations can't be turned into triumph. C. Humans should never be as powerful as the gods. D. Breaking the rules is always necessary. If you need to pause, please hit the pause button now. Number 4. What happens to Prometheus to emphasize this theme? A. Prometheus asks Zeus to have compassion for man, but Zeus refuses. B. Prometheus is punished for giving to man power only meant for gods. C. Prometheus makes man from clay because he doesn't have anything else. D. Prometheus and Epimetheus didn't save any gifts for man. If you need to pause, please hit the pause button now. Number 5. Write a summary of Prometheus. Remember, a summary should include an introduction stating the title, a brief outline of what the text is about, a possible theme, details from the text to support your theme, and no opinions or judgments. If you need to pause, please hit the pause button now. Part 2. Directions. Reread from page 142. Well, Chiron asked me. To the middle of page 145, my dad needs me, in The Lightning Thief. Then answer the following questions. If you need to pause, please hit the pause button now. Number 6. Which best describes a theme conveyed by the details in these pages? A. Only Greek gods can challenge Greek gods. B. Bold and strong humans can challenge the Greek gods. C. All humans can be heroes if they are bold and strong. D. Humans and Greek gods are equal beings. If you need to pause, please hit the pause button now. Number 7. What is Percy told by Chiron that emphasizes the theme? A. Heroes have certain privileges. B. Hades hates all heroes. C. Greek gods operate through humans. D. Greek gods can defeat all humans. If you need to pause, please hit the pause button now. Number 8. Read the theme below, then answer the questions. Theme. The Greek gods were very powerful and used their power to control their human subjects. Part A. Evidence from Prometheus. Myth. How does this evidence convey the theme? If you need to pause, please hit the pause button now. Part B. Evidence from pages 142 through 145 of The Lightning Thief. How does this evidence convey the theme? If you need to pause, please hit the pause button now. Part C. What is similar about how the theme is conveyed in the two stories? What is different? Provide one similarity and one difference. If you need to pause, please hit the pause button now. After you are finished, please go back into your assessment, check for the correct answers, and submit. Thank you.